In Ukraine, bread is the symbol of life. It represents peace, forgiveness, and enduring memory. Ukrainian tradition insists upon 3 loaves of Paska bread, one to honor nature, another to honor the dead, and a third to honor those here on earth. While the dough rises, they quiet their homes. I believe so much in the power of food to connect us across borders. This spring, let's bake in honor of the many Ukrainian women who are unable to do so. With an aim to offer solidarity and support, I've created a recipe tutorial for Paska. It's yours for free to use and share. May we be moved to action, always in our own backyard, but especially now in Ukraine.